My name is Chan Hong. My family name is Min, and I'm from South Korea. And I'm currently in business major. Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Hello, my name is Haley, and my Korean name is Hamin, and I'm majoring in international politics and Asian studies, and I'm from South Korea.
My name is Jojo, and I'm a marketing major and my minor student, junior.
Hello everyone. My name is Jiaxuan. My English name is Connie, and I'm major in LHR, and I'm sophomore now.
How do you think the ways in which you use your phone are different than the ways in which many other cultures are using their phone, for example? Everyone's on Naver, man. Like, no one's on Google. I've never seen a Korean on Google at all.
So KakaoTalk, of course, you use to chat with your friends, but to be honest, I use Instagram more often than KakaoTalk. But KakaoTalk, you have lots more features like KakaoTalk, Kakao Pay, like Kakao Music, video, and even you can even present something like gift to your friends. Then the person who received that gift will put their address there anonymously. Then it will just like come to their house. Like that kind of system is already there too.
So first off, I said Korea is the most connected country in the world, right? Do you guys see that? Do you talk about that?
Yes, I think we do talk about like how connected we are, especially those who have experienced traveled outside of Korea. So everything is connected through internet. You can even get some like family information about like government documents on the internet.
Yeah, everything. I mean, we have that here, right?
But
there
it's very
like everything.
Yeah, it's very easy. You know, you guys probably know about Samsung Pay who use Samsung phones. You can actually get the documents there and like put your ID over there and like, you know.
It's just fully connected.
Yeah, fully connected.
So what I said about like about the subway, about people on the subway being really connected, that everyone's on their phones and every age, it doesn't matter, man, how old. I mean, I have a professor colleague of mine who's in his 90s, and he and I were just texting last night, and I was sending him emojis, and he's sending me emojis. He's like 92. He's a really famous Korean professor. And I'm thinking like, and I'm writing like, I love emojis. Emojis are awesome, right? Like people are, so can you say something about that?
Is it KakaoTalk?
And KakaoTalk, yeah, the
so
KakaoTalk emojis.
KakaoTalk have like very special subscription. You pay like around $3 to $4.
Yeah.
Then there's a subscription called Emoticon Plus. Emoticon is Korean for emoji. So if you type 감사합니다, which is thank you, then Emoji Plus will automatically pop up the emojis that fits to that word. So even if you're old, like even if you don't know about emojis, it will just automatically pop off and you can choose whatever you want to use.
And there's just tens of thousands. There's so many.
Yeah, so illustrators can easily upload their emojis, like if KakaoTalk approve it. Yeah.
How do you think the ways in which you use your phone are different than the ways in which many other cultures are using their phone, for example?
Well, I think it's like kind of similar because most of the time I'm gonna be on the Instagram or YouTube, something like that for the entertainment, or just like texting with friends. We use like KakaoTalk more than the just normal text message, but like just normal like iMessage is like what's the American doing like mostly for the communication.
Can you explain what KakaoTalk is?
So KakaoTalk is like kind of like iMessage thing, but it's like kind of application so that like people download it and kind of using it for just like communication with friends, family, like anybody who knows. But to get their like contact, you need kind of phone number or their ID, like KakaoTalk ID, something like that.
When I share my KakaoTalk with Koreans, so many Koreans are surprised that I'm on KakaoTalk. And I'm connected to so many people, like hundreds of people on KakaoTalk, because it's just really easy. So it is the thing that Koreans use, and I don't know no other country uses it, right? It's just a Korean platform, unlike Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. But in YouTube, Korean YouTube, there is no separate Korean YouTube. You just use YouTube, but with Korean characters. Yeah. Yeah, explain that.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but I think we have like Korean specific YouTube, like YouTube Korea.
YouTube Korea?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Where else do you upload videos in Korea? It's mostly YouTube. YouTube's the most popular.
Yeah, YouTube or Instagram.
Okay, explain what Naver is.
Naver is kind of Google stuff, so you can like search informations like you do in the Google. It's basically same, but there's like kind of blog. So like you can like people will gonna upload some informations like, and they sometimes get money from that, like uploading it. Or there's just normal thing with just it's like Google.
So, but the thing with Naver is, though, what's interesting is Naver it is like the Korean Google, right? But it's everything, right? It's like WeChat, right? It's everything is on there. And so when I'm watching people, when I'm like in the subway and I'm looking over people's shoulders, everyone's on Naver, man. Like no one's on Google. I've never seen a Korean on Google at all. I just never have. It's always Naver. I know that Koreans use Google here and there, right? But it's like I'm blown away by the degree to which Koreans not only are connected, but are connected on their own apps. And apps that are just incredibly advanced and very connected, right? So, Chanhong, is there any ways in which you use, Naver or these platforms that you feel are uniquely Korean?
So KakaoTalk, of course, you use to chat with your friends, but to be honest, I use Instagram more often than KakaoTalk. But KakaoTalk, you have lots more features like KakaoTalk, Kakao Pay, like Kakao Music, video, and even you can even present something like gift to your friends. Then the person who received that gift will put their address there anonymously. Then it will just like come to their house. Like that kind of system is already there too. So
what's interesting to me is that everyone's using the same platform.
Yes.
Right? Like here in the U.S., there are many platforms that people can use for payment and all sorts of stuff, but there it's really just one.
So KakaoTalk, you can simply think that is combination of iMessage, WhatsApp, PayPal, and like X, which was Twitter before. Yeah, like everything is combined. Similar to Naver, if you add Naver and Line, which a lot of Japanese use, then it's same thing with KakaoTalk.
Yeah. Send me another message, right? This is what it sounds like, man. Right? KakaoTalk.